Hello. This is a quick test of some goofing around I've been doing with my, impact sensor. You can see the LEDs are on a little bit right now, but I've got some light sensors right here, so when I shine a laser onto each of the sensors, you can see they get really bright on the board. And probably the reason, technically all the LEDs are hooked up, but the reason why it's not working is, well, because this is just something I threw together rather quickly, so I probably don't have some of the LEDs hooked up properly. But, could have actual laser tag. This is just one of those little dollar store laser pointers that you get in the store with an LEDs hooked up to a bunch of cadmium sulfide photoresistors. How they work is they react chemically to the light, and that changes their resistance, making the LEDs shine brighter when lasers pointed at them. Now this is probably good for like a rudimentary laser tag or something. Probably for actual laser tag would make a system with the Raspberry Pi. But, this looks pretty nice. Something fun to fool around with. So, that is all for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.